now.
Hello everyone, I really enjoyed
You got 2 minutes of my time.
I'm getting ready to head over.
And I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight.
But we got through it. I didn't have a lot of time and I was rushing and I ended up tearing my lace, so I'm showing you how to repair it. Please check out my other videos for styling tips. For short-term hold, I use Got2B Glue and Hairspray. Let me know if you like this look. I think I did a pretty good job. I just love this hair. I've worn it for 3 weeks now, so it has been shedding, but it was 150% density. So now it's kind of thinned out and I actually like it better than when it was so thick. And I just spray it with water and keep going. And yeah, for me to come to you guys and drop another video, working on all my career goals, and really appreciate your support. And I thank you. I have some things in the works and I'm just gonna make sure I keep you guys posted. I have a speaking event coming up. Follow me on my platforms. For Facebook and Instagram, it's Divine by Design Lady Renee. Feel free to join me, follow me, and thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.